Let's take a look at a Smoky Lake divided pan and compare it to a Weaver divided pan.
Something loose in there.
Smoky Lake artisans handcraft all of our equipment right here in Hilbert, Wisconsin.
Mine's from Georgia.
Yeah, that's your first red flag. That Georgia address is code for made in China. But to be fair, let's look inside. A lot of time and care goes into crafting a Smoky Lake pan, and we want it to arrive in pristine condition. We use custom double wall cardboard crates and hand-cut foam liners. All pan fittings are reinforced. And our accessory kits are secured. They will never bang around causing dents in your pan.
Well, this handle's so cute.
Oh, that is cute. I see we both have 3/4 inch valves, but let's look a little bit closer. The Smoky Lake valve is going to drain 3 times faster than that one. And our pans come with a proper maple thermometer. It's designed specifically for boiling maple sap.
What? Mine's Celsius?
And of course, the pan will come with an illustrated quick start guide. We also have an online library of tutorials and videos, and our maple specialists are only a phone call away.
Well, instructions didn't come with mine, but judging from their website, how hard can this be? Yeah, you just put the pancakes right next to the tree and yeah.
Anyway, the Smoky Lake pan comes with full-length handles that are hemmed over on the edge.
You know, my pan has a lip on it too, so, you know, and it's like, oh, that's a sharp edge. Medic!
The Smoky Lake pan also has an angled thermometer port, which makes the dial easier to read, and more importantly, puts the probe of the thermometer into the liquid.
Can't I just fill my pan deeper to cover my higher thermometer?
Well, for boiling efficiency, it's very important to maintain about a 2-inch depth in your pans, especially if you would have received an actual divided pan. We mark that depth here on our pans with our level assist. That's a good safe depth for operating in order to keep you from scorching your pan and your syrup.
Wait a minute. What did you mean before when you said if I actually had a divided pan? I do have a divided pan, right there.
Well, with a Smoky Lake pan, we actually form the dividers right into the structure of the pan, which makes it work for continuous flow boiling. When you have a divider that far off the floor of the pan, it serves no purpose whatsoever. You essentially just have a flat pan with a weird obstruction in it.
Yeah, I also have a stuck arm now too, I think. Is that medic still around?
Smoky Lake pans are expertly TIG welded with higher efficiency 22 gauge stainless steel, and we stand behind this work with a limited lifetime guarantee.
Oh, this is some chunky metal over here.
We also weld all of our fittings from the inside, which makes them much more sanitary.
Well, I've got an open seam here in my pan, which means bacteria and syrup will both get caught in there. Great.
We also take the time to polish the outside of our pan. Some brands are notorious for never polishing any of their welds. You know who you are. Don't get fooled by Imposter boiling pans. Look for all the details that Smoky Lake provides, from free shipping to our proprietary welds. There have been many imposters over the years who have stolen our copyrighted photography or tried to fool you by using our brand name in their advertising. Protect yourself by ordering directly from smokylakemaple.com or from an authorized dealer.
They do say that imitation is the highest form of flattery.
Would you be flattered if I offered you an imitation beer?
No, probably not.
You know, this Weaver pan does make for a nice bar.
It does.